Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ngikhohle ukulike and subscribe bafowethu. Mamelodi Sundowns man, congratulations for winning away. I mean ufundisa ama-team wala eSouth Africa ukuthi kuyakorwa away bafowethu. Noma kunzima kanjani but you have to score goals. Professional performance for Mamelodi Sundowns overall bafowethu sibonile bebangazange ukuzodlala lapha eNigeria. Bakwazile ukushaya amagoli amaningi. They could have easily scored more. I mean leya team ukubona, I mean through image bowubona ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns man ama-super power compared to leya team ayina chance at all ukuthi ishaye Mamelodi Sundowns. Asingene negamini bafethu. I was impressed by a Portuguese international. I'll start with this one. uRicinho bafethu ungimpresse kakhulu mfethu. I mean what a performance from him. Zithe ziqala nje bafethu, iqala imatch first few minutes laphana washaya iphasi elihle kakhulu la uthola uPeter Shalulile wakwazi ukuliphasela uNuno Santos balisave-ke lela bhola. And mabalisave la wele esayidini la kaMetus waya washaya iside net. Metus laphana ngabe ulibuyisile ibhola bebazoliqedelela but-ke siyamazi ngokugejwa kwakho Matthews. That's for sure, siyazi ukuthi uzogeja ema-matchini. But few minutes later Matthews ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu nge-weaker foot lakhe which is u-left, but ukwazile ukulishaya laphana, giving Mamelodi Sundowns first goal of the game. Well deserved in a way. Sibonile bazamile abantu be-Rem ukuthi bangaconcede early but-ke bengeke kwenzeke because Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu is way bigger and better than them. Sibonile man, imatch beyi-straight, I mean beyi-direct, there was no way ukuthi bacompete abafana. Kumele uyiqhubeka imatch, sibonile big another big performance or man moment uAlendo ushaye i-free kick bafethu. Yathola again uRicinho le ngithi ungimpressile uRicinho walishaya ngekhanda, a brilliant save from ukeeper walaphana eNigeria. So yaqhubeka imatch yelo kumele iqhubeka. uPeter Shalulile was able to show his strength, ahold ibhola kahle, abe phambili kwe-defender laseNigeria and then wakwazi ukushaya igoli eli-right kakhulu uPeter Shalulile. I mean ku-record lakhe in terms of ukushaya amagoli for iMamelodi Sundowns or ku-career yakhe aloke yaqhubeka bafethu ayakhula amagoli overall. I mean, I wanna go back to i-moment ebad laphana yelokhunjana ye-Mamelodi Sundowns. uKhoza la alimale khona bafethu, umfana omncane, and then he was forced ukuthi bamreplace laphana uGrant Kekana. Yeah, that was sad to see bafethu. Second half kuthe kubuya vele second half again Mamelodi Sundowns i-dominance yakhona iqhubekile. Sibone second half amagoli sibone ulokhunjana ubani, uNuno Santos bafethu e-assista ulokhunjana u-Arthur Salas, waliqedelela nje kahle Arthur Salas. Arthur Salas could have, Arthur Salas angazi indaba yakhe, kumele abe fast kuma-transition but I understand ukuthi bebangasenayo i-pressure because by then I think bebalida 4-0 la bekumele ama-player Mamelodi Sundowns avulile u-2 kunama-defender ayi-2 yena uphethe ibhola kumele ashaye i-through pass kuphela. I mean bavulile abantu but-ke yena wachuza ukureleasa Peter Shalulile late and then i-defense seyikwazile ukurecover but-ke I mean ukwazile ukukora. And then-ke sithe sibuya man second half, uRicinho iplayer elingiperformele kahle kakhulu wakwazi ukushaya igoli lakhe lokuqala kuMamelodi Sundowns. So welcome to South African football. While ulishaya ku-CAF Champions League bafowethu, but I mean it's a big thing for wena ukuthi uyazifikela ethimini, second game yakho ethimini yakho but ukwazi ukushaya igoli overall laphana. Then idrama beyingakapheli lapho because igoli number 5 ishawe iplayer elisha kuMamelodi Sundowns, uTsiki Ntshabeleng bafowethu. Guess what, u-assistwe uLebo Modiba. uModiba naye uqeda ukufikela lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns but it was so easy for iMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu ukuthi, I mean ulokhunjana again I think boma 80 something minutes uTsiki Ntshabeleng uconnecte nobani noMudau ngabe ushaya igoli number 2 but-ke azange alishaye ngepower enough bakwazi ukulisave. I mean njengoba ngishilo maybe ngabe bashaye boma 7 boma 8 ama-opportunities abawa-create-ile but abakwazanga. But what I like about Mamelodi Sundowns overall ukuthi igame bayikhile off, babonisa nje la team ukuthi eSouth Africa nizoza but nizela nje ukurelaxa, ayikho ngempela into enizoyizela. I mean they were not high in terms of intensity, they were very calculative in terms of like trying to penetrate the spaces and attacking. Intensity was not that high but still they were able to score many goals for i-team yabo iMamelodi Sundowns overall. I think le win le izonika uMiguel Cardoso ukuthi aphe i-breather, ukuthi aphefumule kangcono after I mean ilokhunjani i-buzz serious from ama-fans ukuthi bawa-complain-a. ngaye ukuthi hayi akahamba ayikho indaba yakhe. But-ke you'll be judged kuma-matches lawa amakhulu ukuthi uzophefoma kanjani, because siyazi ukuthi ibhola laseNigeria overall abekho good ku-continental level. Asibeni fair bafowethu, silikhulumeni iqiniso. Continental level, they're not good at all makuziwa ku-continental level in terms of ukukhompyutha kwabo. Ayikho enye kumele ayiwine i-Champions League ukuze asave umsebenzi wakhe. If he can't win Champions League, then because even ngibone izolo iMamelodi Sundowns online platforms yabo mabaphosta laphana bathi our journey to continental journey or continent journey, la glory, yes, glory, meaning that they're going for it. Like, it's not a secret for them ukuthi they are going for it yet again. So njalo every season, njalo isizini mayiqala they're going for the kill. Noma kuthola ukuthi abafiki lapho kuma-final, but last season bafikile for the first time in almost 9 years or so. But-ke bahluleka ukuyiwina. Even this season they want to do better than last season. Better than last season would mean that they'll get to the final and win it. So sobona ukuthi Miguel Carlos uzomisa kanjani overall. But ababonisile ukuthi ngempela ba-powerful compared to le team le. Bengithi bazoba ne-clean sheets because of le team le ayicreate-anga ama-dangerous moments amaningi. But guess what? Ronwen Williams, he was easily beaten. Well, mangithi easily beaten, you don't get beaten as a goalkeeper side la uvale khona. So you can only be beaten, well, not only, but like it makes sense if bakushaya ku-far post, but bakushaye la uvale khona. That's the nkinga of the problem. Bavele bamshaya kalula uRonwen Williams. That is why kwesinye isikhathi ngisho ukuthi uRonwen Williams, as much as ku-number 1 Mamelodi Sundowns, number 1 kuBafana Bafana, I mean isikhala sakhe akasisebenzeli kakhulu. He's not fighting that hard. It's just nje uyazi ukuthi hayi, I mean ayakhe le position le locally and international. So yeah, I saw amanye ama-player laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns basebhentshini. In fact, ayinasebhentshini kuma-grandstand bafethu, Basadeni, Nkosi yami, Basadeni, the biggest star in terms of i-left back ku-South African football, behlelile kuma-grandstand. Kusho ukuthi utravelile, but he was not selected to be one of the match day squad. It happens, man, it's football. uModiba uperforma kahle kakhulu at the moment, so you cannot falter ucoach ngaleyo ndlela. But ngisasho hayi, uBasadeni ungcono kunoModiba bafethu. But angisuwucoach weMamelodi Sundowns, either way engibona ngakhona. I-opinion yami Nkosi yami ekhosta 2 cent nje kuphela, ngithi better. But-ke obvious ucoach akaboni kanjalo ukuthi better umfowethu. But yeah, a good professional game for iMamelodi Sundowns. Professional performances from Abo Allende, I mean Abo Sales, Abo Mukwena, Khuliso Mudau i-superstar. Hayi, yabona into enhle bafethu, iyanconywa. La mjita loya ku-rare ukuthi enze ama-mistake, almost igame yakhe is close to perfection. Like ngeke ubone lutho ngempela ekutheni in terms of ukuthi uzokwenza amaphutha umjita, no. Uhlezi nje apholele laphana, uyalwela whenever the opportunity arises ukuthi mhlampe elokhunjana emake or going forward, uzenzela umsebenzi wakhe nje kupholiwe, no rush, akatatazeli, akenzi lutho. So sibafisela inhlanhla lapha eMamelodi Sundowns. Siyazi ukuthi 100% ukuthi already baqualifyile for ama-group stages. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Danko Kabuyelo.